here's the issue. I think so. Let's say professional artists who are trying to, let's say, make a living from the art that they produce. Like let's just say an actor or something. Um, the concern for them is so you've got the Hollywood industry, the production studios. They're trying to turn the biggest margin on the videos they produce or the movies they produce. Uh, you can often just create like synthetic characters now that are quite believable, and avoid paying actors at all. And I know it's already happening actually for extras. And the whole Hollywood strike. One of the big concerns was the amount of digital extras that are being created, and oftentimes these digital extras, they're not created completely from scratch in the computer. They've done body scans on a real extra, and in the fine print of the contract, they're like, "You're giving us perpetual usage rights," and so they get recycled in movie after movie after movie. So I think it's very worrying. If I was an actor in Hollywood or something like that, it is something to be worried about. To the extent that I wonder if we're basically kind of almost seeing the end of like the era where there's like big names like Tom Cruise and things like that, which everybody knows. It's like, is that even going to be how it is in the future? I don't know, and I don't actually think so. I don't think so. If you look at East Asia, which seems to be, they always seem to be a few years ahead of the curve on some of this stuff. It's been a few years that they've gone, their influencer scene is a mix of real people, but also completely digital influencers who have like profile pics and videos, but it's all computer generated. It's not actually a real person behind the scenes. So, right. But they end up with hundreds of thousands of followers and they're commercially valuable. And I actually saw an analysis that corporate brands prefer those kind of influencers because there's never going to be a scandal about them.